Hello everyone. In this section we discuss ARP poisoning technique, generally used by attacker to perform sniffing on the target network. Using this method, an attacker can steal sensitive information, prevent network and web access, and perform DOS and man-in-the-middle attacks using sniffing. In this, main objective is to understand man-in-the-middle attack using the ARP spoofing and capturing victim traffic. For this attack we need three host machines. So I'm using Windows and Ubuntu. These both are victims. We'll check the communication between these two host machines. So this machine IP is 51.3 and this machine IP is 51.5. So in this to perform this ARP spoofing in the LAN environment and capturing the victim's browsing traffic or communication, whatever it's happening, that data, browsing that traffic, we use this ARP poisoning technique. We'll check the connection between these host machines. Dot 51. Yes, communication is there. We'll check the MAC address of this machine. Yes, here LAN networks IPs 4 and 5, and for this I'm using another attacker machine is another attacker machine is Kali Linux. For this I am using Kali Linux. The tool is available in this is I'm using EtherCap tool for ARP poisoning technique. So yes, here it is. And first we need to check in that sniffing at startup and select the Ethernet what you are using, Ethernet or whatever, and I'm using Ethernet 0 and it started Unify sniffing. Now it started. So first I need to scan the hosts what are present in this network. So attacker will check the scan the host are present and up that machine is up or not. So I found that two hosts are added in the host list, means that two hosts are up. So that host list I need to check that MAC address, what are that MAC address and what is IP address. Yes, I found that host machine is 3 and 5. So 3 is my Windows machine and 5 is my Ubuntu machine. So I'm selecting this, adding this machine as the target one and this machine is adding to target 2. So I'm gonna snoop this these two MAC addresses. So here it is, and I'm selected first machine as the target 1 and second is target 2. I'm gonna do the ARP poisoning. Then I'm gonna check in that sniff remote connections and OK. Now it started ARP poisoning victims. 3 it was showing like this, and this attacker machine IP is 51.4. So attacker is 51.4. I have spoofed 51.3 and 51.5. So now how attacker will serve the what these two victims are talking, what data is flowing. You can easily check that what happening, everything is through Wireshark. Yes, here we can observe that what's happening and everything. Yes, we need to open this Wireshark as a with root permissions. Yes, here it is. We'll observe that what's happening and in this both and now after spoofing we can observe what's happening in this victim's machine. Yes, here it was changed. MAC address has changed. Have you observed once? Before it was different. Now 4 and 5 attacker machine and victim machine MAC address is same. So we'll observe what's happening in this. It will ask the communication between the two is, you can observe that what's happening, what's the data is flowing, everything we can scan and we can observe data in Wireshark. This is and we can find the usernames, passwords using this technique used in websites, everything. Thank you.